Why aren't you doing the chicken thing? Okay, I don't do it on command or on purpose.
Chicken thing?
My clucks. My hiccups. You've heard of
Oh,
hiccups.
yeah.
You've heard of my hiccups.
By the way, I'm convinced that that's fake and you only do it for
No,
attention.
everyone thinks I'm faking it. Why did I fake it?
Guys, press 1 if it's fake for attention.
No, I don't think it's fake. Did you guys ever have those girls in school that would sneeze like Pikachu?
No.
No? What does that
No.
sound like?
They'd be like, Pikachu! When they sneeze.
No.
I knew like 3 people like that that always be like, oh my god, no, like it's not on purpose. Like,
Oh my god, that's
it's
so
just
cringe.
like on reflex. I'd be like, oh
I
my
love
god.
Pokemon and that's so cringe.
That has never happened.
I was not one of
Did
those
you want the
girls.
black?
Yes, Hamster, yes. That's a chunk. She's awesome.